nyo bago nyo panood yung eviction night. Kasi after na magpakailanman, PBB naman, and it's the last eviction night tonight, malalaman natin kung sino ng ating Big Four. Sino ang Big Four? Alam na natin kung sino ang Big Four. Chares, Asver, at saka si Rawi. Last slot, so it's either Breca or Dos Bia. Actually, hindi ko kasi alam kung sino. Kasi yung twist ngayon, hindi votings. Kasi you really have to earn your spot. So, through challenges. Actually, I love both of them, Dos Bia and Breca. Pero kung sino na lang, tiwala na lang kay Lord. Kung sino pasok sa kanila, then maybe they deserve it. If hindi, better things are waiting on the outside world. Yes, sana may mga by Breca. Breca or Dos Bia. Pero, yes, actually, I wish them all the best. And of course, yung mga nakapasok na sa Big Four, deserve nila yun. Ang big night sa July 5 din po yan. So, abangan natin.